Binary number systems. Bit is short form of binary digit. Hence, a bit in a computer terminology means either 0 or 1. An n digit number or n bit number is a binary number consisting of n bits. Any decimal number in range 0 to 2 raised to n minus 1 can be represented in binary form as n bit number. Every computer stores numbers, letters, and other special characters in binary form. A commonly used way of doing this is to print or display raw memory contents, which is called memory dump. So basically it is about bit. So bit is a short form of binary digit. So it means either 0 or 1. Now 3-bit number with their decimal values. So these are binary numbers and their equivalent decimal numbers. Computer professionals need to know raw data content of a computer's memory on several occasions. A commonly used way of doing this is to print or display raw memory contents, which is called memory dump. Working with memory dumps in binary form would be very difficult and error prone for computer professionals. Hence, computer professionals often use octal and hexadecimal number system as shortcut notation for binary. They are described below. So basically, memory dump is a way of displaying or printing raw memory contents. So working with memory dumps in binary form is very difficult. Hence, other systems are also evolved, which are octal and hexadecimal number systems. Octal number systems. In octal number system, the base is 8. Hence, there are only 8 symbols or digits. That is from 0 to 7. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then 8 and 9 do not exist in this system. The largest single digit 7, which is 1 less than base 8. So largest single digit is 7, which is 1 less than its base, that is 8. Each position in octal number system represents power of the base 8. Therefore, decimal equivalent of octal number 2057 is written as decimal equivalent of octal number 2057, which is 2057 to the base, will be written as 2 into 8 raised to 3 plus 0 into 8 raised to 2 plus 5 into 8 raised to 1 plus 7 into 8 raised to 0 is equal to 1024 plus 0 plus 40 plus 7 is equal to 1071, and hence 2057 octal is equal to 107110. Hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. Hence, there are 16 symbols or digits. The first 10 digits are the same digits of decimal system. That is minus. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And the remaining 6 digits are the symbols A, B, C, D, E and F. So in hexadecimal number system, there are total 16 symbols, and the base of that system, this system is 16. The symbols from 0 to 9 are common, that is same, and after that remaining 6 symbols are A, B, C, D, E and F, which are representing decimal values 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 respectively. Hence the largest single digit is F or 15, which is 1 less than base 16. Each position in hexadecimal number system represents a power of base. Therefore, decimal equivalent of hexadecimal number A1AF is written as 1 into 16 raised to 2 plus a into 16 raised to 1 plus f into 16 raised to 0 is equal to 256 plus 160 plus 15 is equal to 431. Hence 1af 16 is equal to 431 to the base 10.